we're gonna go from this to this.
Nice.
All right, let's install it. Hey everyone, this is the second thing out of the 3 things that we want to do to the truck. The first one was the Husky liners. I just popped up, we'll take you to that video. But today, if you remember at the beginning of the video, I let this go. This is a very, very heavy tailgate. The last thing you want is to lose your hands on it as it's coming down and your child runs underneath it, or your pet. I know there's some height there, but it could be a great thing. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to put on what's called a Tailgate Assist. Before we get to that though, people asked us, what do we have for a liner in our bed? Well, this is called a dual liner. What it is it's just like a drop-in liner, but only on the sides. And it has a rubber mat on the bottom to stop it from sliding around. This is the best liner that I've ever seen. We've had it in all of our trucks. I'll put a link in the description down below if you're interested in looking into them. If you want to see just how easy they are to put in, just let us know and we'll take it out and put it back in. We'll do a video.
Just put the comments in down below.
Today we'll be installing the DeeZee Tailgate Assist, model number DeeZee43205. We will have a link to this kit and kits for different makes and model trucks in the description box down beneath this video. Now our kit includes a shock, a ball mount plate, a button head bolt, 2 extra shock springs, a tailgate ball mount plate, mylar sheet, and a T50 torque wrench. Now the tools they say that are required is the T50 torque wrench, which they include, but I will be using a T50 torque bit instead, and I'll show you why when we actually install this. An M5 Allen wrench, 10mm wrench, and scissors to cut the mylar sheet with. Without further ado, let's get to it. This gets mounted on the driver's side only. We're gonna start here with these 2 bolts. We're gonna take one of them out and loosen the other one so that this bracket is going to go right over it. Okay, that's 10mm. Now, if you want to use sockets, you can, but I would worry about it because, look, once you try to get down here, there ain't no way you're getting that out. So, if you have one of these ratcheting wrenches, that would work out great. If you don't, you can use just a regular one. It's 10mm, so I'm just going to take this one out. These things are great. I suppose I could put a link in the description box down below to a set, huh?
Yeah, there you go.
You're taking this one out and you will not use it again. Now this one here, we're only going to take it out enough for that thickness because this is going to slip right down over it, and then a new bolt's going to go in up here. That's how that goes. Pull the washer up, slide that down there. So we're going to take the supplied 5mm bolt that already has a Loctite on it and just going to insert it in here and screw it in. All right, so we got that all tightened down now. Now we're going to tighten down the other one.
Small space though.
Yeah.
It's going to take a little bit.
That should do that. Holy moly. That's a tight area in there. Now for the next step, we're going to install this piece up here. So we need to take the cable off, pull the screw out, put it in, screw it back in. Now, to get the cable off, the easiest way is to use a flathead screwdriver, and we did not show that in the list of tools that we were using, so I'm telling you right now. What you want to do is you want to lift the tailgate just a little bit, put it underneath, pull the spring back, lift up, and boom, you're done, it's off. Now, this here is put on by the factory, and they do give you the 50 torque wrench here to get it out, but I mean, it's really a little flimsy, and if that's put on at the factory, that's in there pretty well. So I'll be using a T50 torque to loosen it with a 3/4 inch, with a 1/2 inch ratchet. Yeah, that's in there tight. Oh. All right, so with that out, we're going to take the other bracket, flat side going towards the bed of the truck. I'm just going to put it back in. Just try to keep it nice and vertical. right, that's done. Now the kit comes with Mylar. What we're going to do is we're going to put it any place that we think that there could be a rub at some point in time, like probably right behind here. So I'll cut a piece to put right under here for now. Thanks, Piper, but I think we got this. All right, so let's put the cable back on. Simply slip it over, pull the tailgate up a little, pull it over, pull it down, and there you go. So, any spots that it looks like we're gonna have an issue with this up here? No.
No.
All right, so we're gonna put the shock on next. We'll start with the bottom first. Pull it out.
Let me come.
Just pull it out, and then they just push on, just like that.
Okay.
And come up.
Armstrong.
Yeah. And same thing. Push it.
There you go.
All right. Well, let's see how it works. It closes just fine. All right, here we go. Ready?
Okay.
Oh, nice.
Oh, I thought it was going to take off there for a second.
I know, just the very beginning. Just the very start, and then it catches itself.
That is so cool. I love
Yeah.
it.
Well worth the investment, and we haven't even used it yet. All right, guys, there you go. A very simple install of a Tailgate Assist. And this is going to come in handy. I'm really going to like this. And of course, now that it's done, Mother Nature said, hey, Chuck, you want some sun?
And blue skies.
That's just typical, but anyway. Again, simple install. We will have links in the description box down below. No matter what kind of truck you have, they all are about the same way of going in, and relatively cheaper compared to the factory. Other than that, though, if you like what you saw, we'd really appreciate that thumbs up. If you want to follow along with everything we do here on the We Are Mud Fun channel, just right down there in the corner, click it and you're in. And after you do that, don't forget to ring the bell and you'll be notified every time we put a video out.
If you have any questions or comments, you can put them right down below, or you could just say hi.
Because we'll say hi back, we always do. Until our next video, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Cheryl.
The end.
We Are Mud Fun!